Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to download and install Postgres database on Windows machine. So let's get started. Let's go to the Chrome and search PostgreSQL download. We will get multiple links. Click on very first link. After that, choose Windows for Windows users. Click on download the installer link. I'm choosing 16.4 version. Click on Windows x84 and 64. Click on it. The download has been started. Once the download completes, we can see that file into downloads folder. Let's see this. Double click on the file to start the installation. The installation has been started. Now welcome to the PostgreSQL setup wizard. Simply click on next. Installation directory, I'm keeping as it is given, default. Click on next. Installation directory, keep as it is. Click on next. PostgreSQL, I am unchecking stack builder and keeping as it is. Unchecking only stack builder. Click on next. So data directory I'm keeping as it is. Click on next. So choose the password for Postgres. Simple password 123 and 123. Click on next. So port number 5432 by default. I'm not changing anything. Click on next. So here also I'm not changing anything. Click on next. So the following settings will be used for the installation. Simply click on next. Setup is now ready to begin installing PostgreSQL. Click on next. The setup has been started installation. It will take few seconds to complete the installation process. The installation has been completed. Setup finished. We can click on finish. Now click on Windows button and search for pgadmin. Click on pgadmin 4. So it will start the pgadmin 4 application in a while. So this is the window for pgadmin. The server section, we have PostgreSQL 16 server. The default database we have Postgres. We can also create our own database. Right click on the databases, create. Click on database. I'm giving the database name test. Click on save. We can see the test database has been created. Right click on it and click on query tool. It will open the new window for writing own queries. We can start writing our own queries onto this window. The installation process is completed. Thank you for watching.